Sanibonani, igama lami nguLindi. Hello everyone, welcome to our Zulu basic series brought to you by Zulumites. As you heard me in the beginning, my name is Lindy. So today I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself in Zulu. One way of saying it is igama lami ngingu, directly translated, which means name mine is. Another way could be mina ngingu, which means me I called. I'd like to teach you a song so that you will remember how to introduce yourself. Igama lami ngingu Lindi, Lindi, Lindi. Igama lami ngingu Lindi, Lindi, Lindi. Wena ungubani, wena ungubani. Mina ngingu Lindi, Lindi, Lindi. Mina ngingu Lindi, Lindi, Lindi. Wena ungubani, wena ungubani. So with that, friends, you will never forget how to introduce yourself. Ngiyabonga, salani kahle.